Welcome back, everyone, to another episode. I am Phoenix Down 87, and today we are opening up another box. This box break will be 2017-2018 Upper Deck Ice. They are going to be coming out with the new Ice. It's going to be coming out in a couple weeks' time, maybe about a month or so, possibly. So in anticipation for that, I wanted to do this one. This is the first box I am opening of this Upper Deck Ice for 2017-18, so I'm pretty excited. This box does come with, let's see, 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box, so 24 cards altogether. There is 5 levels of Ice Premier rookie cards. It's about 2 rookie cards per box is what they're averaging. Let's see. 1 hard sign autograph and 1 memorabilia or exquisite card per box. That's on average. And collect the Sub-Zero set, including parallels and variations. So pretty big set with all the subsets and the base cards. So if this is something that you do collect, some places do have them. If they are selling them still, they do sell them at a cheaper price now because the year is almost up. I know I got mine for, it looks like it was $60, I believe. The normal price was about $110, so $60 is definitely not bad. About a $50 difference. So let's get this open and see what's inside. Very excited to open up this box. Like I said, this is the first time that I'm opening up this box. It's upper mid product. And if you're not familiar with the Upper Deck Ice, it's upper mid. It's not, the highest quality, but it's pretty good quality. Got the advertisement for products that have already released because this is a year behind. Okay. Just get these out now. They put the styrofoam back here. We're just going to leave that there. Alright, so let's open up the first pack, see what we get. Now these of course do have the all acetate design. So this is the base card. This is Brian Rust of the Penguins. So what the base card looks like on the front. Pretty neat design with the all acetate. The back has last season stats. If I can focus, there we go. Last season stats. And then flavor text about the player. That is the base card. We have our decoy. Alright, so we have our first Sub-Zero rookie. This is Victor Medi from the Canadiens. It is not numbered, but it is our first rookie card. That's pretty cool. It's thick too. This for an acetate. I saw a lot of these openings, and I thought that the acetate cards were going to be thin and like flimsy, but they're actually pretty thick. I like this. And then we have base of Sean Cotier and Nick Bogstad. Packs are a little hard to open though. So we have Josh Manson, Martin Jones, Decoy. Oh, we have an ice premieres of Giovanni Fiore with the Ducks, numbered 743 of 1299. We are looking for, of course, the rookies that are numbered 299. Those are going to be the rookies that are, most valuable in the highest level. And this is Oscar Klefbom. A little bit hard to see the names on some of these cards. Okay, we're actually going to save this pack because this is one of our hits. Okay, so this is Braden Point, Decoy City, Sub-Zero, Philip Forsberg, Corey Schneider, and Anthony Mantha. Looks like this is going to be our other hit. Wow. They do not make these packs easy to open. One thing I am going to notice is I do not like the logo of the ice. This is like the one product that I just cannot stand the logo. It just looks kind of dumb to me. But that's a side point. We have Ovechkin, Decoy, Premiers, Riley Barber. This one is 215 to 999, so that's a little bit higher of a rookie. Andrew Cogliano, Patrick Laine. So now our two hit packs. First one right now. Kevin LeBlanc, Anze Kopitar, Mike Green, Chris Letang, and Philip Sheedle. Ice Premieres jersey card. Not numbered, but it is pretty sweet looking card. It's again the jersey. It's pretty nice. So this is going to be our autograph. David Krejci, Dustin Byfuglien, Travis Harmonic, Ryan Getzlaf, and autograph, ringside autographs of Brian Propp. It's a pretty cool signing. It's on card. So our two hits were the Brian Propp and Philip Sheedle. And then, of course, our rookies, Riley Barber, Giovanni Fiore, Philip Forsberg, and Victor Medi. Victor Medi was actually the rookie Sub-Zero. But we also have the Sub-Zero Philip Forsberg. So that's our break of Upper Deck Ice. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you got anything pretty cool in the Ice series. What you're looking forward to in next year's Ice. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next in future videos. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.